I just wanted to share a laundry or mom hack that I do with my kids' laundry. The first one, and this always applies to outfits per se, but if your pants have a tag like this that has a loop or that you can loop something on, I always put the shirt on first and then use that loop to put it on the top of the hanger, and that way the pant and shirt is both on one hanger. So I do that with all my outfits for my kids. The second one is if your tags or your clothes don't have tags like that, we can still do something similar. Just take the shirt or the top, and then the pants I always just lay over the hanger, and they stay on there pretty well. So then both ways the pant and shirt to an outfit are on one hanger, and makes everything easy. So I just wanted to share that.